Porgie.
Porgie. There you go. Nice Porgie, man. Nice little Porgie.
You said I could roll it in.
Hey guys, Quinn the Eskimo. In the woodlot again, early in the morning, summertime. I'm gonna take a lot of trees down. My son's coming. I have some wood cut. Just a little ditty, man. Let you know what I'm doing. And did see a coyote on the way in, man. Like right near my truck. He's must have been in the bushes right near me. But got my gear, got my little hatchet, Norland hatchet on there. Gonna put a helmet on, got a lot of bug stuff on. But yeah, just a little letting you know what's going on, a day in the life, man. Thank God for being in the woods. This is nice, man. Not gonna be having lunch or anything. We didn't have time. We got a lot of work to do. Gotta drop some trees. Whoops. Sorry, but yeah. Hey guys, it's Quinn the Eskimo, Ferro Rod and Instagram. Folded Mountain American Pale Ale out of Rochester, custom brews. Does it up there. Very hot today. Was at the wood lot today. My son and grandson cut a lot of wood. So anyways, got oatmeal, cornmeal, and some Penzeys Cajun spice. Normally I use Old Bay, but I'm out. Last night we fried some up at my niece's house. These are caught off a boat in Montauk, off of Montauk, Long Island. Boat went out of Point Judith. My son-in-law, he's the one that got them. So I'm gonna cook this up. I just want to say, Nathan 4071, I sent him some wood. Some pieces he can use easily, but the pieces of the smoke bush kind of hard to work with. I don't know if he could have used them or not, but he did. I couldn't believe it, and he made his first ferro rod and striker with that, and he said he's going to give it to me. I didn't ask for anything. I just want to send him the wood, but he's just a great guy. I did order a nice ferro rod from him one time, and I'm going to be sending him some more wood too. Not necessarily that, but I have different stuff. Some be easier to work with. I think he still has some of that smoke bush. Great stuff, man. Great guy. You want a ferro rod, fire steel? Nathan 4071, you go check him out. He's a good dude, man. Send him some beer too. He likes his beer, you know, different beers. But you check him out. Nathan 4071, he's the man. So it's the fire steel Nathan made me. It's got the striker right there. Look at that. Gorgeous, man. Got some red cedar in the middle. Smoke bush there. I'm going to do a whole video on this, but look how big this thing is. Just want to show you. I forgot I put it in this video because I was talking about it. But it's just great. Fantastic, man. Striker. Cool. There you go, man. Nathan 4071 makes some awesome stuff there. There's one big striker there too, man. Take care. Quinn the Eskimo. Let me flip these. Oh yeah. Ooh. Come on. Come on, baby. Ooh. Almost lost that one. These are cooking good, man. Come on, let's show it. So we're doing good here. Thank God for another day. We did hard work today, man. I'm a hurting puppy now. My butt is dragging right now. I'm doing some low riding right now. Because we worked hard out there, man. And I saw another coyote on the way in before my son got there. But wasn't doing nothing. But cool. That's what we're doing, man. This cast iron Wednesday. Yeah, I've been cooking a lot of stuff on cast iron. And I got like 3 times I went out and got a half bushel of clams. And I got some oysters too. Oh, so we're doing good, man. And you can freeze those clams. So you clean whole, fresh, alive, clean them up real nice, put them in a bag, and put them in the freezer. They'll last a long time. Just take them out. They're good. We got these porgies going. Gonna let them go a little longer. Don't want to run out of gas here. I got another tank here. But that's what's going on. But and then here's about this New England bushcraft. There's not a lot of talk about it in the end of September. My son and I are hoping to go there, but I'd like to see some more chatter on that here in New England, in Charlton, Massachusetts. Got to check that out, man.